everyone, welcome to my channel, and today we are unboxing my Rare Beauty order that I just got in the mail today, and so I thought I would share it with you because it's got some fun surprises. So they have a deal that if you are a first-time shopper, which I was, you get 10% off your order, plus you get free shipping where normally you'd have to meet a certain minimum. And I have been a big fan of Rare Beauty products. They are cruelty-free, which is something that is important to me personally. And today I have on the Rare Beauty Bright Side bronzer. I also have on their eyeshadow primer, which works really good for preventing creasing. And then if you are like me and have struggled to find a good eyebrow pencil, this one, if you have my coloration, is perfect. So it's a good pencil, but the color Soft Blonde is a tough color for me to have found, and I was so happy to get this one. So let's dive into my order. So let me see how we open this here. So Rare Beauty always has nice inspirational quotes, which is great. I love positivity in our makeup. And then it's always nice to have this kind of thicker packaging. I'm always worried that my stuff is gonna come and it's gonna be crushed. And then, oh, we have some nice pink paper. And then, oh, they have a little pouch. Oh, this is cool. So this is what the products are in. And I didn't pay for this, at least not that I know of. So let's dive in and see what I've got in here. Okay, so the first product I got is this True to Myself Tinted Pressed Finishing Powder, and I got this in the shade Porcelain. So I had originally actually bought this at Sephora, and I got the shade Ivory, which was a little too warm for me, and they were sold out of Porcelain at the time, so I just figured I would order off Rare Beauty, plus there was a couple other things that I wanted, but I'll show you for comparison. So this is the Porcelain. I'll just take that little thing out. So you can see that is, and that's the lightest shade that they have. Now the shade I had before that was Ivory. And both of these sound really light, but this one was just a little bit too warm for me. And this one I thought was going to be a better match for me. So I thought, well, let me try this one out. Now I will say I did do a review on the Ivory, just covering the pressed powder. So if you want to see a review of the product in general, you can click up there. So this is mostly a finishing powder, but it will give you a little bit of light coverage. Okay, and then the other product that I got was the Soft Touch Powder Puffs. These are little velvet duos that are specifically made for the product. So, and they also come with their own little pouch so that you could put it in here without having the makeup get all over the place. So we'll just open up the one that's loose here in the package. And the nice thing about these is that they're diamond shaped, as you can see here, but they've got nice rounded edges on the surface, which is so much better. I also have the Natasha Denona product, and that one is very sharp. It has very sharp edges and it kind of hurts. It's on their powder foundation. So I don't have any powder on today because I knew I was going to try this on. And so we'll just get a little on there and then we'll just kind of powder on the T-zone here. And this will help to kind of keep some coverage. But like I said, you can apply it to your whole face as, you know, if you have on like a light foundation, then you could put this on and that will just give you that extra layer of coverage. So you can definitely check that out. But I'll tell you the real reason that I wanted to get this was for this product here. So this is a pouch, or what I like to refer to as a purse for this powder. So you can see here that this will fit nicely in there, and it's like, it's its own purse. I am such a sucker for purses of all kinds, so I had to have this. And this is only available on the Rare Beauty website, so if you also feel like you need to have this in your life like I do, then definitely you'll have to buy it online. So then the best part about this pouch, so we'll open this up here so you can kind of see inside. So I mean, it's not huge, but then you can put your powder in there, and then also these little powder puffs also fit in there. So you can just stick those in there as well, and then you have a handy little pouch that you can bring. That powder puff kind of sticks up a little bit. And then you can bring this without having any mess or anything, and then you've got your applicator and then your touch-up powder, and then this just goes right in your purse, but it's also a purse. So this is so great. And then let's see what else is in the bag. So they also send out free samples. And so let's see which one I got because I don't remember. So this is the Find Comfort Exfoliating Body Wash and Body Lotion. And those are actually pretty decent sizes. So those are all great. And I will have all of these products linked in the description box down below. And I am not sponsored in any way. So if you click the link and choose to purchase, then you are supporting my channel. So thank you for that. And then if you want to see the review on the powder foundation and all the things to know, then you can click here. And if you'd like to see my latest unboxing in the fashion category, then you can click over here. Thank you for joining me today and happy shopping.